Okay, on number 7 here, first thing we're going to do is we notice that we've got a function inside the other. We've got that x squared plus 12 on bottom underneath the radical, so we know for that it's going to be a u substitution problem. So whatever's underneath the radical is going to be our u. So Brittany, what's our derivative of that going to be? 2x. Good. Solve for dx. So du over 2x is equal to dx. Okay, since I have bounds, it's also pretty good to right now just go ahead and take care of the bounds as well. So I've got this 6 and 2, so I'm going to plug the 6 in here and the 2 into that. So my upper bound, when I plug in 6, 6 squared is 36, plus 12 is 48. When I plug in 2, 2 squared is 4, plus 12 is 16. Good there? Take all that information and plug it in. So now my bounds go from 16 to 48. Nothing happens with the x. On bottom it's u to the u for that, and since it's square rooted, it's like the 1/2 power times dx, and our dx now is this, so I'm going to plug that in, du all over 2x. So now what can I do? Cancel the x's. I've got that one and that one, so they go away. I've got this 2 right here. I'm going to pull that out in front. So 1/2, 16 to 48. U to the 1/2, it's on bottom, so I'm going to rewrite it as u to the negative 1/2 du. That's just simplifying. Again, if you, the biggest issue I'm seeing on tests and quizzes is we're not writing integrals every time. We're just writing scratch work. You know kind of how to do it, but you're just trying to be fast and you keep messing stuff up. Do the integrals. Keep it organized, that way you don't screw stuff up. Okay, from here I'm actually going to take the antiderivative. So the 1/2 is just 1/2. What's the antiderivative of u to the negative 1/2? What do I do to find an antiderivative? Add 1, so it's now u to the positive 1/2. And then I divide by the exponent, so I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Multiply by 2 over 1. Okay? I'm going to evaluate that from 16 to 48. So the 1/2 and the 2 over 1 just cancel. So I'm plugging 48 in, so 48 to the 1/2 power, so that's like the square root of 48 minus the lower bound, so the square root of 16, which is 4. There's my answer.